is Noelia Cruz. I'm a researcher at the University of La Laguna, and we are co-leading the case study of the Canary Islands along with Aquatech.
Hello, I'm Jesús Soler from Aquatech. I'm project manager in research. And yeah, both are co-leading this case study. It's a huge case study. To explain a little bit what is the goals for a case study. The case study has 3 sub-case studies at the end. It's a big case study with 3 goals, one for each island, Gran Canaria, Tenerife, and Fuerteventura. In Gran Canaria, the main goal is the water quality. We have a natural area surrounded, but a lot of urbanization, a lot of resource there, and we have problems with an issue with the pollutants from the street and from the roofs arriving to this pond in this natural area that is very famous in Gran Canaria. Also in Tenerife.
Yeah, our main goal in Tenerife is to prevent the city of La Laguna to be flooded when it rains heavily, so that we are planning to do a floodable park there. And also this is related to biodiversity, since, you know, a lagoon will create a lot of biodiversity, which is very nice in the city, which is also a World Heritage City. And also what I think is very interesting about NATALIE is Canary Islands is composed by 7 islands, and we are working in 3 of them. So I think that's like huge for the archipelago. And also it will be the first time that we are doing natural-based solutions in the islands, thanks to NATALIE. So that's great. And regarding Fuerteventura actually is very different from Tenerife and Gran Canaria because she's yeah, exactly, and closer to Sahara Desert, so it's very desertic. That's why, you know, drought is our main goal there.
Yeah, we are planning to use constructed wetlands to treat the water from the wastewater treatment plants, and then to put in the aquifer to increase the water volume of the island. We have done a lot of work. First, gathering all the data for the 3 different case studies, meteorological, hydrological, hydrogeological data, also to contact with the key stakeholders who are in the field working to fight against the different challenge. And also we have started to create models, mathematical models, physical models, to understand what is happening and how natural-based solutions will produce or will impact with several fields, for example, in disaster risk reduction, but also in economical, societal, and also environmental. Societal is a very big important part, no, Noelia? Because
yeah, it is. We have done one transformation lab, and after 1 year, we expect to have done the 2 transformation labs that are missing. The main goal is to engage local stakeholders. They are very engaged, actually, especially in Maspalomas, since it's a very touristic area, but also there are local population there. So they share this, you know, worry about the area and not losing the biodiversity they have and everything they have to offer, and also to enjoy themselves. So I think we are doing a great and a very nice job with the local stakeholders.
Yes, it's one of the key factors of NATALIE project, to work together with the stakeholders in co-creation process. With this technical part and this co-creation process, we can make a feasible natural-based solutions, not only to implement the pilots that we are thinking, but also to ensure the continuity of the project in the area, to have a real impact in the area.
Yeah, that's totally key. That NATALIE will live after we finish the project.
For the stakeholders and the local people who is living there, climate change is a fact, and we need to take measures now for that. And this is not the solutions. It's not going to be for external people. The stakeholders are key to make these solutions. We need several kinds of stakeholders. We need private, we need public administrations, with private companies, we need local neighborhoods. We need all the people working together to implement solutions as natural-based solutions that are adaptation measures, but also because natural-based solutions have a lot of co-benefits, that this is the key part of natural-based solutions. they need to be involved in also to fight together against the climate change.
Sure, and I think it's important to remember that European funding means that all of us are involved, and it's public money, so it's a project that we should all feel like it's our project, because it's, you know, public money. We all have worked so hard for that, so it's nice. We have like the technical part coming to the place to try to engage people, but it's the work of the people that live in the area to be involved and to care
Yeah,
about
because nature-based solutions are very interdisciplinary field. We have for sure things for water resources and so on, but also with vegetation we work, so people of the area know better what is the nature in his area to implement as a nature-based solutions. Also, there are a lot of improvement for the nature-based solution and a lot of impacts regarding mental health, regarding also amenity. So all the actors, key actors for the local stakeholders are very, very important to ensure the feasibility and also the success of the implementation of natural solutions.
Yeah, completely. And I think they are involved in this process. They can be aware of innovation firsthand, and also this innovation will bring probably green jobs and opportunities for the area. So it's nice to be there where things are happening to take advantage of it.
Yeah, and it's to implement natural solutions in areas like that in Canary Island, that it's very desertic. Some of the islands are very desertic. It's a huge challenge also, because normally natural solution is more in the north when we have a lot of rain to the vegetation, but here it's a success, but it's a challenge, but it is possible to do it. So within this project, we are developing also, or going beyond the state of the art, how to implement natural solutions in a very difficult or challenging areas.